So you wan dey create con ten t, you wan become con ten t creator, but you no know how you go start, you no know the kind of con ten t wey you go create, you dey confused, you don watch plenty videos wey dem dey speak English plenty, but you no understand, you no know wetin you go do. No worry, I dey here for you. I go teach you how you go start your con ten t creation journey today. So go carry your paper and your biro because plenty value dey inside this video. Dis na your mini masterclass into con ten t creation. The first thing wey you wan do be say you wan think about the reason why you dey create con ten t. E get many reasons why people dey create con ten t. Some people dey create con ten t because they wan teach other people how to do something. Some people dey create con ten t because they wan make people dey see the life wey dem dey live. Some people dey create con ten t because they wan dance. So e get many reasons wey people dey create con ten t. So you go think about why you wan create con ten t. As you see me so, me I sabi con ten t creation wella, and I wan teach other people how to become con ten t creator. Na why I dey create the kind of con ten t wey I dey create. And I also like to dey show people behind the scenes of my life as a con ten t creator. So na why I dey create my con ten t be that. So you wan think about why I wan create con ten t. Some people dey create con ten t for business. E get many reasons wey people dey create con ten t. And so na the first thing wey you go do be that. When you don know that one, the second thing wey you go do be say you go think about the kind of con ten t wey you wan create. E get many kind of con ten t wey we get right now. And so you go think about the kind of con ten t wey you wan dey create. And how you go know the kind of con ten t wey you wan create be say you go think about wetin you know wella and wetin you like wella. Wetin you know. Shey you sabi to dey speak English? You wan dey teach people how to speak correct English? Na your way be that. Shey you know how to cook wella? You wan show people how to dey cook? Na the kind of con ten t wey you go create be that. Which kind of con ten t you like to dey watch? Which kind of con ten t you like to dey see? And which kind of thing you know wella? I don tell you before say me I sabi con ten t creation wella, and I like to dey teach people. I like to dey help people to become con ten t creator. And so na why I dey create this kind of con ten t wey I dey create. So you go think about the kind of con ten t wey you like and the kind of con ten t wey you know wella. No put yourself in a box o. No say because dis na the kind of con ten t wey popular well na because of that I go create that kind of con ten t. You no go last very long because you go tire. So you go think about the kind of con ten t wey you like wella and wey you know. So go write am down. The next thing you go do be say you go think about the kind of people wey you wan make dem dey see your con ten t. Which kind people you wan make dem dey see your con ten t? Which kind people you dey create your con ten t for? Na wetin you go think about be that. So as I tell you before, me I like to dey create con ten t creation tips. I like to dey teach people how to create con ten t. So which kind people I wan make dem see my con ten t? Na people like you wey no know how to create con ten t. Na you I want make dey see my con ten t. Business owners wey no know how dem go create con ten t for their business, and people wey wan be con ten t creators but they no know how they go go about am. Na the people wey I want to dey see my con ten t be that. And so na why I dey create the kind of con ten t wey I dey create, so that dem go see my con ten t, dem go like and dem go follow me. So I wan make you follow me now because me I dey give value well for this space. So make sure to follow me. Shey you don hear? So think about the people wey you wan make dem follow you. For example, you wan do cooking con ten t. Which kind of people you wan make dem follow you? People wey no sabi cook, people wey don sabi cook but they wan learn new things. Na how you go think about am be that. After that, the next thing wey you wan do be say you wan go dey follow people wey dey do the kind of con ten t wey you like and the kind of con ten t wey you wan dey create. That kind of con ten t wey you like and wey you know wella, you wan go dey follow people wey don already dey create am. Why you wan follow them? Na so that you go get inspiration to see how dem dey create their kind of con ten t and how you go know how you go create your own con ten t. I no say make you go dey copy them o. No, you just go there to go and search for inspiration. E go give you idea on how you go create your own. And you go also find wetin those people you wan make dem follow you, wetin dem like. Na the reason why you wan follow them be that. So you go follow them, you go study their con ten t wella, you go know how you go do your own wella. So na why you wan follow them be that. The next thing be say make you go buy this kind of book. This kind of book, go buy am. So go dey look for different content ideas wey you go do. Na why I say make you follow the people wey don already dey create the kind of content you wan create. So you go follow them, you go see the kind of content wey dem dey create and the kind of content your people like. So you go write down all your ideas, you go write am into a script so that when you want to talk in front of the camera, you no go dey do you go know wetin you wan say and you go say am wella. So go write am down, go write all your ideas. Which kind of content I wan create? Okay, today I wan teach people how to cook. Tomorrow I wan show people behind the scenes of my life. So you go write down your ideas. The next thing be say you go carry your camera, your phone camera on your tripod and you go start to dey film. E no go easy at first o. If you just dey do am, you go make plenty mistake but you go get patience well well. You go calm down because you will learn as you dey go. As you dey go, you go dey become better, you go dey become perfect. So you no go become perfect when you first start. You go make plenty mistake but no give up. You go get plenty patience wella because growing on social media e take patience and you go give value to your audience. People like value well well. People like value. So you go give value to your audience. So na here I go stop because I no wan make this video too long. But if you wan see more videos like this, I no go speak pidgin for my next video because me I dey speak English wella. Na posh and prim and proper babe I be. But I say make I try something new. Maybe you go follow me now. So follow me for more content like this. And if you want me I speak pidgin, no wahala. I go rehearse and I go speak am. I hope this help. How dem dey say I hope this help in pidgin? I I hope say this thing help you well well. I hope say this video help you well well. So make you follow me for more videos like this and I go see you for my next video where I go speak English.